How to repost the story on Instagram that have been posted before. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repost an Instagram story that you have posted before. Maybe you have a favorite moment or an important update you want to share again. For that, I will walk you through the steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in into your Instagram account. Once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner of the screen and you will enter the profile section. From there, simply tap on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner. Next, simply scroll down and tap on archive and you will see all your previously posted stories. Scroll through and find the story you want to repost. You can also switch between your post and live videos by tapping the drop down menu at the top of screen if needed. Once you have found the story that you want to share again, simply tap on it. Once you have opened it, at the bottom of the screen you will see the option to share. Simply tap on that and Instagram will open the story editor where you can customize your repost. Here you can add stickers, text, even GIFs to enhance your story. When you are ready, simply tap on your story to share it again with your followers. If it's a story you want to keep visible on your profile for longer, consider adding it to your story highlights. Simply tap on highlights option instead of share, create a new highlight and add it to an existing one and it will stay on your profile permanently. And that's it. Now you know how to repost a story you have shared before on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.